Types of hormone. On the basis of the chemical nature, hormones are of four different types. First is the peptide, polypeptide or proteinous hormone. There is no clear-cut differentiation between the peptide, polypeptide and proteinous hormone. So they are studied together. Peptide, polypeptide and proteinous hormone. Example: insulin, glucagon, all the pituitary hormone and all the hypothalamic hormone are the peptide, polypeptide and protein in nature. Second category is the steroid hormone. Hormone secreted by testes, hormone secreted by ovary and hormone secreted by adrenal cortex. All are steroid hormone. Hormones secreted by adrenal cortex are known as cortisol. Secreted by testes is the testosterone. Secreted by ovary is the estrogen and progesterone. These are steroidal hormone. Second is iodothyroxine, means hormone of thyroid gland are iodothyroxine. T3 and T4 are thyroid hormone. Fourth category is amino acid derivatives. Amino acid derivatives, that is the epinephrine and norepinephrine. These are the biological active amine, epinephrine and non-epinephrine. So this is four different category of hormone on the basis of chemical nature.